Welcome to another video, everyone. Today I have some more Born Pretty products. Thank you so much to them for sending this to me. And let's start right away. First, I want to show you how this packaging looks. And you should be using this within 12 months once it's open. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox all these items and get them ready to show you guys. Okay, I'm done with the unboxing, and the first item I have here is the spider gel. I'm looking forward to use this. I never tried a spider gel, and I always see cute nails done with this type of gel. And as you can see, it's very stringy. When I was opening the seal, it was really stringy all over the place. So let me just put it back and I'll continue to the next item. Next, I have a metallic drawing gel, and I'm gonna be using it today for accents. This is really bright, and as you can see here, it's very glossy and shiny and very reflective against the light. I really like it. So let me close it because it's a little bit messy on the top. And next, we have a reflective glitter. I've been looking forward to have one of these because they are so beautiful, and this color is really cute, as you can see here, guys. I'm gonna be using it in this video as well. The next item is a gel polish, and the color is displayed in the front of the bottle, as you can see here. Let's open it and see how it looks. It's actually a very beautiful hot pink, and I'm gonna be using it in today's video. And the last item for today is a liquid Aurora powder. So it's basically chrome powder in a bottle, but liquid. And as you can see here, when I shake it, you can see the actual color. And I will show you how I use it in today's video. And these are all the items, so let's go ahead and start some nails, guys. Today I'm gonna be using Model 1's full cover nail tips, and I apply them with gel. If you want to see how I apply my nails with gel, you can see the suggested video. And now I have the nails looking like this. The next step I do is buff them and reshape the end of the tip a little bit to get them ready for application. I'm starting with Model 1's base gel, and I'm gonna be curing this for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply the color now, and because this gel is very pigmented and the brush is grabbing a lot of gel, I'm gonna just go ahead with one coat today. But if you want to apply 2 coats, I suggest that you go with thinner layers. And I'm gonna be curing this for a total of 60 seconds just to make sure everything is nice and cured. Next, I'm gonna be using the reflective glitter to create some Frenchies and some accents. So just stay tuned and you can see how I do it. Now I'm gonna be using the liquid Aurora powder, and I'm gonna be shaking this bottle very well because I wanna make sure everything is nice and even. So when I apply this, it dries very fast, and once it's dry, you can rub it with your finger against the gel polish so it becomes really attached to it. And then after that, you can keep applying other layers until you are happy with the results. I think I end up applying between 4 to 5 layers in total until I was happy. Now I'm gonna continue finishing the accents that I was making with the reflective glitter. And there you have it, guys. This is the result. I really like these nails. I think they came out really cute. If you like pink, there you go. This is for you. Thank you so much for being here and watching my video. I really appreciate it. Just leave a comment, a like, and subscribe if you want to. No pressure. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you on the next video.